us out since the hurricane, and we're doing our morning walk. Well, we never be off on the same time to do a morning walk, but since we're off and I have to be to work later, we say we might as well get up and go and do us a walk. And what's good, my beauty babies? My drawers falling, y'all. Like, I gotta find some drawers now that's gonna sit up with me. I try to be cute a little bit, put some lashes on and just stuff. Y'all, but anywho, what's good, my beauty babies, beauty babies, beauty babies? What's good, my beauty babies, beauty babies, beauty babies? See, they up practicing. All we did was get a little thing out of the ground. We just got a little splash of wind. It feels amazing out here today, though. No lie, it feels amazing. I want to thank God for waking us up this morning. Thank God for waking us up this morning. I gotta go do this walk. Yeah.
Stayed away, but not in Florida. They come back.
Y'all. We should go play in the park. I'd rather go in the gym and do 30 minutes on the walk thing.
Oh.
What's that going on? They do. It is nice to walk in, not gonna lie, y'all.
Oh my God.
See the gym. Gotta get this going. It feels beautiful in the neighborhood. Yeah. We walking, so I'll hit just a daily vlog, y'all, today. This is what I'm doing today. Nothing. Yeah. I got caught into her stuff all the time, but
snacks.
But yeah. I'll be back. Y'all see us walking that shadow. Boom, in it. Look at that. Oh. Don't get hit by the car. Y'all like our shadow? Girl looks slim in her shadow right here. My drawers falling though, y'all.
What happened? Oh. Here goes. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
Please go like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification button so every time y'all post, y'all will get it on my YouTube. My link is in my bio. I'm out, guys. Let me do this walk. I had to stop and use the bathroom, and I had to take off my drawers because they kept falling. Every time I walked, they kept falling. So they fixed them at the pool and stuff. So we already in the back of the complex. So now we're gonna do a little workout in here while they fix the pool. Get the pool back together. So, yeah. Catch us working out. Oh, guys. I see my partner over here. She do light work, but she get it in. Get it in, Teddy. I came and got on this thing where you have to walk like this. I'm feeling the burn a little bit, y'all. I'm trying to do it. Because it takes 30 minutes to walk in the back of the complex because it's that big. And I'm going to try to work out in here before I go to work. And then working out, y'all. I'm trying to get it in. My birthday coming up in November. I lose some kind of way, y'all. Hey. Yeah, sweat check.
Yes, beauty baby. Yes. How you feeling?
Feels good. I feel the burn.
Yes, sir.
Just worse than walking.
Yeah.
I'm starting to sweat. Can't sweat this last song.
You gotta go to work, don't you?
Yeah.
Don't sweat it out, girl.
Don't lay back down. It's the goal you're trying to reach. I know it's on time. I'll be there.
Scorpio season.
Let me stop. There we go. Get it in. A minor sweat check in. Just a little bit, a little piece. I'm back out here to walk back from the front of the apartment to the top, but I wanted to take y'all over into the view right here. We have a gator, but I don't know what's that, but I want to come over here and show y'all this. I like this. It is so beautiful. Huh? You said back up? You said back up?
Yeah, remember that gator was in the water over there?
Yeah, I was just telling them. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. It's so beautiful out here.
Damn, I wish I didn't have to go to work. Would have been good if they go to the river walk.
Oh yeah. But I got to go in. Soon I'll be working full time from home with my business and everything else. But this is the life coming back to Georgia. I'm at Tampa. Y'all feel that wind? It's so beautiful. It wasn't no water here the other day. Nice. Let me get out of here, y'all. I had to show y'all where this little spot at. Look, I'm trying to film myself. Well, let's get it on, guys. I'll see y'all later. I'm actually going to end this. This is our walk and routine we normally do after work and the day she's off, but we did it early because we missed those days. And I'm gonna end this vlog here. Y'all seen this a little bit what we do because we normally walk the whole entire outside instead of inside.
But y'all know that beauty baby.
Hey! But y'all know I cannot leave without saying something inspiring today. Please have a beautiful day. Again, of course, keep God first at all times. Keep filling your body with positive affirmations. Keep telling yourself you are worthy. You know, just keep that positive mind space and energy, and keep everybody, only positive people around you, okay?
You gotta go for it.
Go for it, because I'm going for mine. What about you up there?
I'm doing everything.
Right, that God give us. And whatever his will, it shall be. Love you guys. I'm out.
Sunny, no cloud. Can you guys say beach in the middle of fall? Because I can.
I'm supposed to be ending it, but hey, it was too beautiful not to vlog. If y'all can hear me over there in between it. We got a long way before we get to our apartment. Okay, it's not long. I'm gonna take that back, y'all. I can't tell y'all to stay positive, and I just hit a curveball, but yeah, it's short. I'll be there soon. We got this. I got this. No! No, I said that was the end, y'all, but I'm letting y'all know I finally made it back to the side of my apartment complex is. And y'all might see the ending chopped up, because I might tell you what I said about y'all Deuce and I. And the end of what I always say at the end of this. So, yep. We made it. We bad. We made it. We made it. All right, y'all. Love y'all. Why? I knew you was on fire. Oh, y'all, we still ain't no joke. Oh. And we made it. Take off the shoes. Whew. We made it. All right.
Shut up.
We done.